साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ
Dear devotees, you are about to embark on the greatest journey of your life, a journey to the core of your inner being. Please, all in a low voice, follow the Omkar and let your mind reach a quietude of silence. All together, let us repeat the Pranava. please sit up straight. And in the quietness of your mind, hear the sound of your breathing. Breathe in and out. In, out. Now, open your eyes and see the light in front of you. This is the light of a candle. Gaze intently at the light. Now, feel the light shining in the center of your forehead. Now half close your eyes and feel the light in the center of your forehead. Now, let that light come down your neck to the center of your chest. Imagine a flower, a lotus, opening petal by petal to receive the light. Now the light is resting on the lotus. The lotus disappears, only the light remains. But it is no more the light of the candle. It is a round ball of formless light. It is a light of divinity within you. Feel this light now expand, and feel the light going down your body, into your legs, up to your feet. Feel warmth as the light surges through your limbs. And make this mental vow, O Lord, my legs, touched by the light of your divinity, will always take me only to places of goodness. Feel the light surging upwards, up into your chest, around your shoulders, and down into your arms and fingers. Feel the warmth as this light surges through you. Make this mental vow, O Lord. My arms, touched by the light of your divinity, will only yearn to do what is good. Now feel the light surging upwards into your neck and into your face, into your head. And the light now shines in your eyes. Make a vow. My eyes must yearn to see only what is good. Feel the light now shining in your ears. My ears must yearn to hear only what is good. Feel the light now shining on your lips. My lips must yearn to only speak what is good. Now, feel this light now shining into your whole body. The light illumines the body. In your mind, repeat the words, the light is in me. Now feel the light expand. Expand, and you are now sitting in a ball of light, in a cone of formless light. Let your mind say, the light is within me, I am in the light. Feel a thrill of this light, and now feel this light expanding and filling this entire room with a divine glow. And let this light now go beyond this room, beyond and beyond, spreading ever further to this whole country, and beyond this country, beyond oceans and beyond nations. Let this light flow ever outwards to encompass the whole world. Now, imagine yourself, not your physical body, but an inner being within you, like a gigantic divine form. sitting on the globe, and the light of your divinity, the light of your love, encompassing the whole world. Stay for a moment, thrilled in that thought. Now, bring into your mind's eye and send your light of love to all the creatures of the world, all the animals and insects, creatures that fly or crawl. All of them are God's creatures. Send your light of love now to those whom you dislike or whom you think dislike you. Send your love, send your light of love to them. The same Atma in you is also in them. Let them feel the radiance of your light. Let them feel the radiance of your love. Now, into your mind's eye, bring those you love, your spouse, children, relations, friends, whoever. Bathe them with the divine glow of your love. Feel oneness with the whole world. Feel at peace with yourself. And now, look inside you. Can you imagine? Do you see a ball of light within you? In this ball of light, bring in the form of the Ishtadeva, the divine being that you love and worship. See this form smiling within you. See this divine form raise his hands in blessing. You have shared your love with the world. Now, receive the blessing and darshan of the divine within. Stay for a moment, thrilled in this thought that you and he are one. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्रीभास्कराय विद्महे साईदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ प्रेमात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नः सत्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
आज्ञा भैया काल की कभी चलायो बंद सब सीखन को कब है गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ गुरु ग्रंथ जी मानियो प्रगट पुरा की ने जो प्रभु को मिल वो चाहे खोज शब्द मिले राज करेगा खालसा आती रहे न कोई बार हुए सब मिलेंगे बचे शरण जो होए वाहे गुरु नाम जहाँ रहे चढ़े सो तेरे पार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि ॐ नमो अहिलन्तानं ॐ नमो सिद्धानं ॐ नमो आयर्यानं ॐ नमो गजायानं नमो लोये सब साहुरणं ते सोपं च नमो कायो सर्व पावनाशयो श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः। या तैषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या या तवतया नो रुद्रमृणया या ते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवान् गिरिकृतान् कुर्वायुंसि पुरुषं जगतः शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्यावदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगुं सुमना असतः अद्यवो जगति वक्ता प्रथमो दैव्यो विशक अहिकुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असयस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो विक्षागुं हेरयीमहे असो यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदृशे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्वमुपयोराज्ञियोज्या याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षसदेषु दे निशीर्षल्यानामुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्जन्दनुः कपर्तिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आगुरस्य निषङ्गतिः या ते हेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्वं यक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् धृणक्तु विश्वतः अथो यशुभिस्तभारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
अत्रीणात्वा कृमे हन्मि कण्वेन जमदग्निना विश्वावसोर्ब्रह्मणा हतः कृमीणागुं राजा अप्येषागस्थपतिर्हतः अथो माताथो पिता अथो स्थूरा अथो क्षुद्राः अथो कृष्णा अथो श्वेताः अथो आशातिका हताः श्वेताभिः सह सर्वे हताः आहरावद्य श्रितस्य हविषो यथा तत्सत्यं यदमुय्यमस्य जम्भयोः आदधामि तथा हि तत् खण्फण्मृषि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
जय 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 गणपति देवा 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 गजानना 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 हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा जय 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 गणपति देवा गजानना 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 हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा जय 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 गणपति देवा।
साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी दुर्गति नाशिनी मंगलकारिणी जगत परिपालिनी जननी शरणं सिंहवाहिनी देहि शरणं साई नारायणी देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी
देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी
देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी
देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी
देहि शरणं असुरविनाशिनी
देहि शरणं असुरविनाशिनी
देहि शरणं असुरविनाशिनी
देहि शरणं असुरविनाशिनी
देहि शरणं भवभयहारिणी
देहि शरणं भवभयहारिणी
देहि शरणं भवभयहारिणी
देहि शरणं भवभयहारिणी
देहि शरणं हरिनारायणी
देहि शरणं हरिनारायणी
देहि शरणं हरिनारायणी
देहि शरणं हरिनारायणी
देहि शरणं ब्रह्मसनातनी
देहि शरणं ब्रह्मसनातनी
देहि शरणं ब्रह्मसनातनी
देहि शरणं ब्रह्मसनातनी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी
देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी
देहि शरणं असुरविनाशिनी
देहि शरणं असुरविनाशिनी
देहि शरणं भवभयहारिणी
देहि शरणं भवभयहारिणी
देहि शरणं हरिनारायणी
देहि शरणं हरिनारायणी
देहि शरणं ब्रह्मसनातनी
देहि शरणं ब्रह्मसनातनी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी
देहि शरणं साई नारायणी देहि शरणं सिंहवाहिनी राधा
राधा कृष्ण करुणालोला राधे गोविंदा
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 राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधा कृष्ण करुणालोला राधे गोविंदा
राधा कृष्ण करुणालोला राधे गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा मुरली गोविंदा
राधा कृष्ण करुणालोला राधे गोविंदा जगदीश हरे जय हो
जगदीश हरे जय हो
जगदीश हरे जय हो
जगदीश हरे जय हो
जगदोधारा जय जय हो
जगदोधारा जय जय हो
जगदोधारा जय जय हो
जगदोधारा जय जय हो
जगदीश हरे जय हो
जगदीश हरे जय हो
अल्लाह ईशो नानक साई
यीशु नानक साई
अल्लाह ईशो नानक साई
यीशु नानक साई
अंतर्यामी बुद्ध महावीर
अंतर्यामी बुद्ध महावीर
अंतर्यामी बुद्ध महावीर
अंतर्यामी बुद्ध महावीर
सौराष्ट्र सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
राष्ट्र सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
सौराष्ट्र सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा साई
अल्लाह ईशु नानक साई
अंतर्यामी बुद्ध महावीर
अंतर्यामी बुद्ध महावीर
स्वराष्ट्र सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
प्रशांति निवासा सत्य साई देवा
शांति निवासा सत्य साई देवा
जय हो जय हो
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 जय हो
जगदीश हरे जय हो
कृपासमुद्रं सुमुखं त्रिनेत्रं जटाधरं पार्वती वामभागम् सदा शिवं रुद्रम् अनन्तरूपम् पतिपुरीशम् हृदि भावयामि शिव शम्भो हर शम्भो शिव शम्भो हर शम्भो शिव शम्भो हर शम्भो शिव शम्भो हर शम्भो 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 शङ्कर शम्भो शम्भो शङ्कर परती परमेश्वर शंकर तीनों के सहारे शंकर हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम बोले शंकर शंभो 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 शंकर ऐसा प्यारा नाम है तेरा तेरी अनुपम शान है शंभो हर शंभो ऐसा प्यारा नाम है तेरा तेरी अनुपम शान है सबके जीवन दाता तुम हो सबके जीवन दाता तुम हो अब मेरी भी सुन लो परती परमेश्वर शंकर तीनों के सहारे शंकर हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम भोले शंकर शंभो 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 शंकर लिखी न जाए और कभी भी कहीं नहीं जाए। शंभो 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 शंभो। शिव की महिमा लिखी न जाए और कभी भी कहीं नहीं जाए। ऐसे ही है शिव की लीला, हे शिव शंभो शंकर। परती परमेश्वर शंकर, दीनों के सहारे शंकर। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम। भोले शंकर शंभो 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 शंकर। दीनों के सहारे शंकर, परती परमेश्वर शंकर। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम। भोले शंकर शंभो 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 शंकर। शंभो 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 शंकर।
Like Brother Ameya was telling us right at the beginning, for many of the students who have joined the University of Bhagwan, the summer course which Bhagwan conducts is in many ways an initiation for the student into the student world that exists in this place. So for many students who would join, who have not done their schooling here and who join for the undergraduate or the postgraduate programs, so it would be a peek into what they could expect for the rest of their journey as students of the university. So this is a very beautiful incident that happened to one of our brothers who had joined the university for his undergraduate program. So he had very little idea about what conditions he could expect at the hostel, and even more so when he had joined just during the summer course program. And like Brother Ameya was saying, there are a lot of restrictions that exist during the summer course program. So it was a double whammy of sorts for the student, because he was totally taken aback by what he was experiencing from the day he stepped into the college. On the first day, he stands in line for breakfast in the morning, and he notices that they are being served idlis for breakfast, and each student is being given 3 idlis. He notices that they are serving 3 idlis, and he remarks to his friend who's standing in line with him, they say that this place is supposed to be a home away from home, but at home my mother would never count the number of idlis when she would serve. I could easily eat a dozen, and here we are being served only 3. If this is what it's going to be like, I think I'm going to have a very difficult time. And he takes his 3 idlis, he goes away, he finishes his breakfast. In the evening, Bhagwan calls all the students inside his residence in Brindavan, Trai Brindavan, and he calls all the students, and as he's talking to them, out of the blue, Swami summons the warden of the hostel. And Swami looks at the warden and says, "Warden, from tomorrow, make sure that you serve as many idlis as each student wants. There should be no restrictions on the number." And this brother says that with that one sentence and with that one moment where Bhagwan reflected his passing thought, he says he was hooked for the rest of his life. With such simple moments, if we are open, if our eyes and ears are open and all our senses are open, every one of us can have so many such experiences which reaffirm to us that he is indeed, like Sai Sir was quoting Bhagwan, Bhagwan is indeed above, around, below, behind, in front of us all the time. What else is this incident but another reflection of the fact that he is always listening, especially to the thoughts, even more so. Even the unsaid doesn't go beyond his earshot, and that puts the onus on us to always watch what we are thinking and watch what we ask Bhagwan.
And isn't it so beautiful that what Swami did in that one instant to this student was made him feel like in this home away from home, he has a mother away from his mother. Now, this is the loving mother, Sai, that many students, all students get to experience here. There is another aspect of the mother that Swami portrays himself to be to the students, that I'll narrate a little incident. This happened a couple of decades ago. So this student who had those idlis was studying in the Brindavan campus. So the Brindavan campus students would come here to Prashanti Nilayam for festivals. So at this time, on that particular year, the students had come from Brindavan during Dashera. And they stayed on from Dashera till the end of Swami's birthday. So it's literally 1.5 months that they had spent blissfully here at Prashanti Nilayam with Swami. And typically when the Brindavan boys would go back from here, get into their buses, and as the bus would cross the Gopuram gate here, as buses would cross, there would be a lot of shouting in the buses. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki Jai. And there will be a loud shouting, every bus 50, and you would have 7 or 8 such buses. Lot of shouting. And this would definitely reach Swami's physical ear as well. That was how loud the boys wanted it to be. So this shouting had started. Jai Bolo Bhagwan, and all the boys were going out back to Brindavan. Swami was sitting in the interview room. He was sitting with 2 or 3 elders, including Kasturi Garu in those days. And then hearing the Jai Bolo Bhagwan, the shouting of these students, Swami seemed a little dejected. Swami seemed a little downcast, and he was sitting a little like this, deep in thought. So Kasturi Garu ventured to tell Swami that, Swami, it is okay. I mean, the boys are going to come back. I know you had, it was like mother with their children for 1.5 months. I know it was very nice, but it's birthday time, they've gone, and by Shankranti time, Swami, they are going to be back. He was trying to tell Swami that. So, I mean, don't miss them that much. That is what Kasturi Garu was trying to tell Swami. Swami looked at Kasturi Garu and said, it is not that I'm feeling dejected about or I'm feeling down about. See, these last 1.5 months that these boys were here with me physically, they had nothing else to think about but me. They had only me in their thoughts all the time, day and night. Now they are going back to Bangalore, they are going to a city. I'm just a little concerned that their thoughts may stray away from me. And that is my concern, Swami said. So here is one incident about the idlis where we saw Swami as a loving mother who was willing to, show that I am here for you for these little things. And here was this mother showing his care and concern for his children that they don't go astray. It is in these simple words of Swami that he shows that he is indeed our loving mother. And to such a loving mother, who is more than a mother, who is a father, who is our everything, who is the truest friend that we can expect a mother to be, to that mother we will offer this next song. पूछो ना कैसी मेरी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ.
जान है तुम्हारा, मिली मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ, मेरे बदन में जान है तुम्हारा, मिली मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ। छोड़ दो, हर एक रिश्ता छोड़ दो, मैं अपना लक्ष्य छोड़ दूं, हर एक रिश्ता छोड़ दूं, जो कहे माँ दुनिया क्या है मैं संसार भी छोड़ दूं, जो कहे माँ दुनिया क्या है मैं संसार भी छोड़ दूं। और कुरान जैसी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ, अरे गीता और कुरान जैसी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ, मेरे बदन में जान है तुम्हारा, मिली मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ। ओ, साईं तेरे चरणों में खिलते तेरे उपवन में, साईं तेरे चरणों में खिलते तेरे उपवन में, वृंदावन के फूल है माँ तुम्हें समा जाए माँ, वृंदावन के फूल है माँ तुम्हें समा जाए माँ, दिल में बसने वाली साई माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ, मेरे बदन में जान है तुम्हारा, मिली मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ, अरे पूछो ना कैसी है साई माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ।
So much like all of you are sitting through several speeches through the day, back in those days during summer courses, we also had to sit through a lot of speeches. And not all of them were as interesting as the ones you're all having, if I can say so. So this happened many decades ago when there was one such speech, and the topic of the speech that day was ahimsa, non-violence. And of course, the very erudite speaker, he spoke, and at the end of the summer course, at the end of that day's session, all the students were like sitting together, and they were actually discussing whether is it really practical to be, to practice that much ahimsa. It's impossible. I mean, ahimsa, imagine at the thought level. I cannot even harm somebody at a thought level. So they were saying, you know what, this is and all not practical. This ahimsa is not practical. And while this discussion was going on, what this little sister was doing was, she was sitting on the lawn and she was plucking grass. Sitting on the lawn, that's what we generally do. Keep plucking grass and saying, ahimsa is not practical, right? It was a very innocuous little act that she was engaged in. Eventually the discussion got over. they went to bed. Next morning, during Suprabhatam time, Swami walks in and calls this sister saying, come outside. Swami takes her to the rose garden in Trai and asks her, what were you doing yesterday evening after the talk? So she went back and she said, Swami, we were discussing about, ahimsa. And she thought, oh my God, she's caught now because she's going to get another lecture about ahimsa now. Okay. And then Swami said, no, I was not asking what you were speaking. I am asking what were you doing during the evening. She was not able to place what exactly Swami is referring to. And then Swami said, what were you saying during ahimsa that it's not possible, and what were you doing? You were plucking out the grass. Oh, yeah, Swami. I mean, just a side detail, right? Plucking out grass. And then Swami said, was that not himsa? Was that not violence that you were doing? And immediately this sister, kind of said, come on, Swami, it's after all grass. I mean, don't get so worked up about it. I mean, just a few blades of grass if I pull out doesn't mean I'm committing himsa, And then Swami says, that is what you think. You think that is just an innocuous blade of grass. But do you know that this entire universe responds to love? So saying, Swami just taps in the rose garden. There is a bud which has still not bloomed. Swami just taps the bud, and right in front of both of them, the entire rose, the bud, it blooms into a fully blossomed rose. She sees it right there, in front of her. And Swami looks at her and then says, so, did you see how it responded to love? And what is our usual reaction? Swami, you are God. I mean, obviously, right? That's our usual reaction, and that was her reaction as well. She said, come on, Swami, I mean, you're obviously God, you can do all of this. And then Swami says, no, that is where you are wrong. Even you can do it because the entire universe responds to love. And so saying, Swami says, now touch another bud. And this sister touched the bud, and in front of her eyes, the entire rose blossomed into a fully bloomed rose. And Swami said, this is how you also can channelize that love towards the entire universe, and it will respond to you. That is what true ahimsa is. Ahimsa is the practice of love in day-to-day life. The non-violence refers to the non-violation of our thoughts, words, and deeds. So all we need to do is to channelize that love that we have of Swami and pass it to the entire universe. And our universe consists of all those people who come into our ambit. That's all. Even if we are able to practice that. And that is what this next song talks about. Sai, I will follow you. I will follow you.
life so beautiful as I give myself to you. You are my guiding light. You make everything so right. I will follow you wherever you want me to. I will follow you wherever you want me to. I will follow you. Just let me hold your hand and walk with you.
Om Shri Satya Sai. Om Shri Satya Sai. Om Shri Satya Sai. Om Shri Satya Sai.
And every day I feel I'm getting stronger. I have no worries any longer. I know I will never fail as long as I know that you are there. I will follow you wherever you want me to. I will follow you wherever you want me to. I will follow you. Just let me hold your hand and walk with you.
Om Shri Satya Sai. 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 I will follow you. 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 I will follow you.
Christmas just round the corner and the demand on the food bank ever increasing, especially in the current circumstances, we want to continue that support, and you can help us do that. Let us hear from Bhagwan himself, who beautifully emphasizes the importance of rendering service to the community.
అన్నింటికి మనకు ప్రధానమైనటువంటిది సేవనే.
Of all, most important thing is service.
ఇట్టి సేవను మనం మరచి రాబోయేటువంటి యొక్క భవిష్యత్తుల గురించి విచారిస్తూ గడిచిపోయినటువంటి దానిని గురించి వగస్తూ కాలాన్ని వ్యర్థం చేస్తున్నాము.
We have forgotten our bounden duty of rendering service in the community. We go on worrying of the future and brood over the past.
కనుక ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
embodiments of love,
మనము నిరంతరం కూడాను సేవల కంటే మించినటువంటిది సాధన మరొకటి లేదు.
We have to recognize there is no other spiritual practice which is more than that of service.
ఈ దేహమును పరులకు సహజీవులకు సాధన చేసే నిమిత్తమై అందించినాడనే సత్యాన్ని గుర్తించాలి.
We have to recognize the basic fact that God has given us this body to serve the neighborhood, everybody in society.
భగవంతునికి సేవలయందే ఆనందం కానీ, పూజలయందు కానీ, త్యాగములందు కానీ ఆనందం లేదు.
In fact, God is very happy watching your services and not other forms of worship.
కనుక సర్వీస్ మనం చేయండి.
So we should serve.
The best way to love God is to love all, serve all.
The best way to God is to love all and serve all.
To find out how you can get involved in this Christmas offering, head over to the website shown on screen. To give the food bank the support needed in time for Christmas, you'll need to be quick and get in touch by no later than the 15th of December. Remember, it is the spirit of sacrifice and detachment that's important. Jai Sai Ram.
श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्त तु यवशक्ति तु पिता प्रभु तू रुद्र विष्णु तू राम कृष्ण तू रहीमताओ तू रहीमताओ तू वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तू चिदानंद हरि तू अद्वितीय तो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू। ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलधिका आश्रित कल्पलधिका आपद्बांधवा ओम जय शयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकाररूपा जय श्री साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंगुक मंगल आरती अंगुक मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ